snowman leads the way. February follows with hearts on display. March brings a kite soaring high and free. April showers umbrellas as far as we can see. 12 months in a row, watch them go. A colorful parade, see how they grow. Seasons change as they pass by. Holidays sparkle, reaching for the sky. May flowers bloom, a bouquet so bright. June sun shines, beach balls take flight. July fireworks explode with color and light. August ice cream truck, a delicious sight. September's yellow bus, back to school we go. October's jack-o'-lantern, with candle aglow. November's turkey gobbles on a farm. December's twinkling tree fills us with charm.